Hello, here today we are going to check one Toyota RAV4. What we need to do, we need to centralize the steering position sensor. So first we connected the diagnostic tool. We have our scanner here. First we will make the connection, go to VCI. And make sure the communication trying to connect now. Device is connected now. Now we'll go to the application. Okay, we can do a automatic selection. The device is communicating now. You should make sure the key is in on position. Now we can do the selection Toyota. No need to select this one, just press OK. The device is communicating with the car now. Okay, check and verify the VIN number. It's correct already, I checked. Okay, the car is Europe or others. Oh, let's go back. North America with radar poise without smart key. The vehicle details came here. Just match the details again and press yes. The connection is establishing now. Okay, once the establishing is finished, go to diagnosis, control unit. We need to know the steering wheel position sensor. It's under ABS, VSC and TRC. Go there, press OK. Go for a live data. In live data, many of the features we can check here. Now we are checking the steering angle sensor, SAS. This is the one we need to check. You can now check the value is 163. It means it's not center. So you can just check now. Once we turning the wheel, the positions will change. You should press inside a little to do this turning. I need someone's help to hold it. Just wait. Hold it and do rotation. We need to bring it to 0. Once we're turning right, it's reducing. So keep rotating until we reach 0. Just take care while you're pressing here. Just take care. Yes, we are reaching to 0. Make exact in 0. See, now the steering angle sensor is 0. Here the position also we get. We didn't check this one and fix the steering, and once we turn, the internal ribbon will get cut off. So It's very useful to do this one. You can see here, once we moving this one, once we moving, the figure is getting changed here to minus and plus, to till minus 15 and plus 15. So we will make it on the center with 0. See, now it's 0, and this wheel also in center. So this is the use of checking live data. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Thanks.